Most amphibians lay their eggs in water, although there are some exceptions. Amphibian eggs are soft and jelly-like, and they need to stay moist in order to survive. That's why most amphibians lay their eggs in water where they can stay moist. The eggs hatch into tadpoles, which are the larval stage of amphibians. Tadpoles are aquatic creatures that have gills in the tail. They typically live in freshwater habitats such as ponds, streams, and lakes. Tadpoles feed on algae and other aquatic vegetation, and they can grow to be quite large, depending on the species. Some tadpole species can reach lengths of up to 12 inches. Once tadpoles have reached their full growth, they undergo metamorphosis, which is the process of transforming from a larva into an adult. During metamorphosis, tadpoles develop legs, arms, lungs, and other adult features, and they lose their gills and tail. Amphibians have a 3-chambered heart, which is different from the 4-chambered heart found in mammals and birds. A 3-chambered heart consists of 2 atria and 1 ventricle. The 2 atria receive blood from the body, and the ventricle pumps blood to the rest of the body. Amphibians have a single ventricle that receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and oxygen-poor blood from the body. The ventricle then pumps the blood out to the body, mixing the 2 types of blood together. This mixing of oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood is less efficient than what happens in a 4-chambered heart, which is why amphibians are not as active as mammals and birds. Like reptiles and birds, amphibian eggs do not have shells. This is because amphibians typically lay their eggs in water, and the water provides a moist environment that the eggs need to stay healthy. Eggs without shells are more vulnerable to desiccation, which is why amphibians must keep their eggs moist in order for them to survive. To keep their eggs moist, amphibians often build nests or pads near water. These nests or pads are made of leaves, sticks, or other materials that help to retain moisture. Additionally, some amphibians, such as toads, secrete a jelly-like substance around their eggs to help keep them moist. Without these adaptations, amphibian eggs would quickly dry out and die. 3.